Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, I recommend it to open the application and check if you have a new update for your earbuds. I haven't here, but maybe you have. And update it. Next step, also, maybe you enable in-ear detection, so we need to disable it. To do this, go to the settings at the right top, and then right here at the left side we have hearing detection, tap at this line, and right here we have two options, so if you enable the third one, it means that when you listen to music and remove your earbuds from your ears, it will stop music, and when you put your earbuds to your ears, you will resume the music. Or the second option, only with a pause, so when you remove it. And you can disable it. Also, I recommend it to reopen your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud or in your browser on Spotify. Just remove this application from the cache and then open it again. And also you can check for updates for this application, so go to the App Store or Google Play and check it and update if you haven't the last version. The last option is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset you have two options. You can use an application or you can put your earbuds to the charging case and then press 3 times the connectional button. Here, 1, 2, 3. Then we need to reconnect these earbuds with your phone, so go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or go back and return to the Bluetooth, and after factory reset these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you don't need to use connectional button, you just tap at your earbuds here. And we just reconnect them. But if you want to use an application to perform a factory reset, you need to open Edifier Connect app, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. After that you go to the settings at the right top, and right here we have factory settings at the right side, tap at this icon and then click confirm, and then you need to again reconnect your earbuds with your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!